Right, in these sort of questions where we have financial applications, it's important to note that you either have to go from the start of a month to the start of a month, or from the end of the month to the end of the month or year, okay? That means that your definition of your first term is very important. So Jelena puts $1,000 into an investment that earns simple interest at a rate of 0.5% per month. And I'm going to make an assumption here. I'm going to say, assume that interest is credited at the end of the month. This means that my first term will have to be whatever is in my account at the end of the first month. Okay, so I can work that out because I know that my P is 1,000. My interest rate is going to be 0.5 over 100, and she's getting that per month, so I don't need to turn it into a monthly rate. So I know that I equals PIN, and that's going to be 1,000 times 0.5 over 100 times 1 month, and that gives me $5. Okay, so she earns $5 per month. Alright, now, if I'm wanting to set up an arithmetic sequence for her earnings, okay, my T1 will have to be $1,000 plus that $5 that she earned. So this is at the end of the first month. That's $1,005. My D value will be that $5 every single month. So my Tn will be T1 plus n minus 1 D. That's going to be 1,005 plus n minus 1 times 5. Okay. B, use your equation to determine the amount at the end of the first 6 months. Okay, so at the end of month 1, we've already got that she's got 1,005. So T2 will be your 1,005 plus 2 take 1 times 5. That'll be 1,010. T3 will be 1,005 plus 3 take 1 times 5, 1,015. T4 and T5 will be T1 plus 5 take 1 D times 5. 1,005 plus times 5, and that will be 1,025. And T6 will be 1,005 plus 6, take 1 times 5, it'll be 1,030. So therefore, the amount in her account each of the first 6 months is 1,005, 1,010, 1,015, 1,020, 25, and $1,030. All right. Now, calculate the amount in her account at the end of the 18 months. Because I have a common difference, I can use an arithmetic sequence. Okay. And because I've set up my term 1 to be the end of the first month, I can go to the end of the 18th month quite easily. So T18 is going to be T1 plus 18 minus 1 times D. So that'll be 1,005 plus 17 times 5. and that happens to be 1,090. So after 18 months, she has 1,090 in her account.